Evening YouTube people. So tonight we're out of London for once. We normally do all of our meets in London, whether it's south, east, west, north. But tonight we've come way out of London. We don't normally come down this way, so we're going to have a walk around the car park. This is just a static location where people are just meeting up, and then there should be a second location after this, and hopefully the third one and fourth will be a bit more drifting, a bit more action. But it's just always a case of seeing what happens with the police and see how the night goes. But yeah, as always, stay tuned and we'll see what happens.
No, not out. I just kind of fit in.
Don't see many of these about at shows, do you?
No.
What's it set up for? Road or drifting or?
It's set up especially for a show car.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going to be a show car.
What power are they pushing out standard?
This one 192, but you can get a 231 variant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's different. It's nice, mate. I like the wheels on it.
Nice one.
More power.
God, thank you. What have you done to this? It's yours.
No.
It's your one,
I
mate.
it was.
Just whack a turbo on it.
Yeah.
Is that standard bottom end on it though, or the whole bottom end?
It's standard, yeah.
So what boost do you run on that?
It's literally like 3.5 PSI.
And how much more horsepower does that give you?
It's only about 190 now.
Still fine. Not any more than standard. 125, I think, standard.
Is it? 9 PSI, yeah.
What can the bottom end run with what amount of boost can it run?
Get around 250 brake out of the standard.
What's that, like 6-7 PSI? A bit more.
You can get up to 9 PSI.
Yeah.
I'm probably going to turn it up next week for about 9 PSI anyway. Just send it. Squeeze the car in here out of the way. Rory's in here. So I don't know whether I'm meant to be on this floor or the floor above, but we'll have a walk round and possibly go back up to the level up there. Let's go film people coming in. This barrier is all about. That's the way out, I think. here and see what's going on. Let's keep going up. We've filled up 3 levels. I'm not sure if it's just one more or there's 2 up here. We're going to have a look either way. So that's the multi-storey car park finish. I've got no idea why the police didn't turn up. We had 4 or 5 floors full up and then the top floor for drifting. There weren't many cars drifting, but I've never been in a multi-storey car park that's been filled up, so that was something different. And we're off now, hopefully, to a roundabout drift location. So about a half-hour drive, and we'll see who turns up there, shall we? Well, that was a good drive down some country roads. I couldn't go too quick because there was quite a few potholes on those little B roads, but we had a supercharged Mazda behind us pushing out about 240 horsepower, so that sounded really good behind us. But we've pulled up somewhere, another new location for us. Been told there's a roundabout at the end with some drifting going on, so we're going to head down and yeah, see who's spinning round, eh?
that's the meeting finished. We had 3 locations tonight. First was just a static meet-up, which was quite good, just to get everyone in the same place. Then we went to a multi-storey car park, which was something I haven't been to before. Well, I've been to multi-storey car parks, but this one was quite a small one. And we filled up every floor, and there was a bit of drifting on the roof, which was good. The last location was meant to be a nice, cool drift location, but the meets don't always work out. There weren't enough cars there, so there wasn't enough drift cars to make it a good meet at the end. But we will be back down for some more of them. We're definitely going to come down this way, come out of London a few more times and do some of these meets. So stay tuned and we'll be back down this way again. Thanks for watching.